Welcome to the Gilis you've never heard of. You have probably heard about the three famous Gilis, Gili Tea, Gili Air and Gili Meno. But there are also some secret Gilis here in Lombok.
If you've been following along, you know we always try to find some hidden gems without the crowds. So today we're going to be checking out the three secret Gilis, which are Gili Nanggu, Gili Sudak and Gili Kedis. We cannot wait. We're already starting the day off here at Gili Nanggu. And boy, I mean, there are hardly any people here. It's mostly local tourists and it is stunning.
It is absolutely beautiful. And the good thing is, it is only a 15-minute boat ride from the harbor. So we actually just pulled up with our scooter and just rented a local boatsman here. We're gonna have Ronnie's number linked in the description because he is absolutely fabulous. He gave us a great deal for 350,000 since we had our own snorkel gear, but you can also rent that from him as well for I think an extra 50 or 100, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm excited to explore this little island. It's definitely really small. There's one hotel here as well, so you can stay overnight, which is actually pretty cool.
It is really cool.
Yeah.
It's not too big. The water is clear and very calm, and I can't wait to snorkel. I hear there's some pretty great fish around.
All right, let's get moving. This was a great start of the day. We spent a couple of hours here, are really sweaty and really hot.
Let's hopefully not burned.
Exactly. And Ronnie recommended a really cool restaurant, and we're gonna hop on the boat now and go there.
I'm hungry. Let's go.
Me too, let's go. What a recommendation. Like honestly, so cool.
I'm so excited to eat here. We are at Bluefin Restaurant, which is a floating restaurant.
Yeah.
We're in the middle of the water, and I
So cool.
am so excited to have fresh fish. It
Yeah.
doesn't get much more fresh than this.
No, because they actually have surrounding the restaurants, fish farms. So I see tons of fish over there. We also already saw shark. Really, really cool. They have like a program with the government where they grow up sharks, they breed them here, and then they release them very, very far away outside on the
Not
open
anywhere
ocean.
close
Not
here.
anywhere close here because they're actually dangerous.
Yeah.
Really cool. I love that they have a program like this. And that's gonna be the freshest fish that we've had here so far.
I am
pretty sure.
so excited. I'm hungry, and I feel like I can already smell the fish. I can't wait. This is a
cool.
really cool
Yeah.
spot. I mean, what an awesome lunch spot.
The clouds over there don't look particularly good.
Gosh, I really hope it's not coming towards our way because
Yeah.
it's looking really, really dark. Definitely
Yeah.
rain clouds.
No. He said it's not gonna come, right?
Yes, I mean, he said it's moving away from us, although right now it looks like it's moving towards us. And did I hear thunder? Or...
Oh, that was a while ago. Like, so far I only heard it once.
Okay.
Yeah. As long as the wind is going this direction and not this direction, we're golden.
So it started raining.
We were just waiting for lunch and it actually just came, and all of a sudden like big raindrops and it started raining. So we moved our table as well because, you know, we don't want to get sick.
We were on the edge, so yeah. But maybe it'll stop raining by the time we finish lunch, so.
I mean, it looks sunny over there.
I know, but the thing is, I don't know how the clouds are moving, so hopefully they're not moving with us for the rest of the day and they're just going away. But let's eat lunch because this is amazing.
Yeah. How do you like your fish?
It's so fresh, and we got a spicy sauce, and it's definitely got a kick to it, and it's so good.
This was absolutely delicious.
And such a unique experience. But now we're off to the boat. We gotta check out the other two islands.
And by the way, sun is back out. Look at that. The rain only lasted a couple of minutes, luckily, while we were eating, so good timing. And we made it to our second island of the day. And it is also probably one of the smallest islands that I've ever been.
It is so cute. It is really, really, really small.
Yeah, so welcome to Kedis, or also...
Lover's Island.
Exactly. And that's why, because there is, at low tide, a sandbar stretching out and it actually looks like a heart. Pretty cool. It's also called Honeymoon Island, right?
Honeymoon Island, and it is really, really small, guys. I think we're pretty much almost done the entire little circle. Like.
Yeah. We just keep walking on the water here, and we're already at the other side of the island. It's like really like 30 seconds and you all the way on the other side.
Yeah, I really think it's not much more than 30 seconds.
No, which is amazing. I love it.
But it's cute. It has like trees and everything. It's got a little character.
Yeah. What a beautiful little island.
It is so adorable. We also went snorkeling here and saw some fish. Not as many as the other place, but really cool. And some starfish.
Yeah.
Really,
and also
cool.
some pretty cool coral, like very cool formations. I hope I got everything on the GoPro. It was not the easiest because we did not have our fins this time. But it was amazing.
It was amazing.
Right?
We have one more island to go. Can't wait to see what this one has to offer. But so far, it's been such an incredible day. I'm really hoping the weather stays good because the clouds are coming back. It's getting a little cloudy again, so fingers
It's getting
crossed.
a little chilly actually as well.
Yeah,
I mean,
actually. Well,
chilly.
Chilly. I mean, honestly, I welcome the chilliness.
Yeah, so let's hope that the weather holds out and we can enjoy another island without rain.
One more to go.
Welcome to the last island of the day, Gili Sudak. We are the only ones here on this island, look at this. But that's because it is actually already pretty late. We decided to spend a little bit more time on the other islands.
So we didn't have that much time on this island, but a few things to know is that there are more amenities here. So there are restaurants. It's a good alternative for you to have lunch on this day trip, which we hope you enjoyed joining us. We had an amazing time. The secret Gilis are awesome. We could not believe that there were hardly any people. It was just basically mostly us and locals.
Yeah.
Super, super fun. We hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel and we really appreciate it. And make sure you stay tuned for upcoming videos. We have a lot more videos coming from Indonesia. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.